Garceau with your Idaho News 6 forecast.
On our Wednesday, avalanche concerns still in the east central mountains, the back country. Remember, this warning is set to expire at 7 o'clock today. We do have more snow incoming, but it won't be the heavy wet snow that we saw over the weekend and in the early parts of this week. So still around Stanley and Sun Valley, stretching down towards Fairfield, that avalanche warning is in effect through at least 7 o'clock because of the heavy snow and then the winds we've had in play that have really weakened the snowpack. And speaking of incoming snow, not much happening today across the Treasure Valley, the Magic Valley, and the Central Mountains, at least during the daytime hours. Everything we see here that is streaming along the west coast, the rain and the snow, will continue marching its way to the east over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. The biggest impacts will be some moderate snow up in the mountains. And so through the day today into tomorrow morning, we could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches for our central mountain locations, particularly from Stanley westward. Sun Valley may end up with a little bit on the ground. And I think the snow we're seeing here, a lot of these models will just round up. If they see anywhere from ½ an inch or more, they will put an inch on the forecast. I think that's being a little generous. We may have a coating of snow here in the valley very early tomorrow morning when we wake up, but it will also come in as rain first. And then if we see the precipitation hold on long enough here in the valley, could be a little snow, but it should all be over and done with as far as what's falling from the sky by the commute time tomorrow. So most of this happens while we're sleeping. And then another system rolls in on Friday, dropping more snow in the central mountains. And this one has the potential to cause some accumulation here in the Treasure Valley during the day on Friday, and then the cold front associated with that system will send our temperatures tumbling for the weekend. We'll get out of above average territory back to normal. To put it in perspective, here's McCall's extended forecast. Remember, the 1 to 3 inches I have here for Thursday, that will really be overnight tonight into the early morning hours of Thursday. Another 2 to 4 inches possible on Friday, then much drier and a little chilly for the weekend. We stay dry Monday, and then it looks like we may have another storm system coming in late Monday into Tuesday. So we continue our very active winter weather pattern. But again, temperatures today don't feel a whole lot like midwinter, maybe end of winter, right? Mid 40s on tap once again for Boise, 43 in Mountain Home, 42 in Ontario. With those clouds though, so it won't look or feel quite as nice as yesterday. That wind as well will start picking up as that system gets a little bit closer. Upper 30s still for Idaho City and Garden Valley. Low 30s around McCall, Donnelly, and Cascade with mostly cloudy skies. A few light snow showers possible in the afternoon, getting heavier into the evening and overnight hours. Upper 20s for Stanley, 33 for Sun Valley with a mix of sun and clouds, some light snow overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And in the Magic Valley, we'll likely hit about 40 or so for Twin Falls, Burley, and Gooding. Sun and clouds throughout the day, but that cold wind gusting up to 30 miles per hour. The gustiest winds today will favor points from Boise eastward towards Twin Falls. So overnight precipitation, sunshine tomorrow, 43 degrees, a pretty pleasant day on Thursday. There's that next system on Friday, rain and snow looking pretty likely in the afternoon, and then we will dry up for the weekend but cool down as well with highs back down into the 30s.